Hello guys, my name is Afzal and I do really appreciate for stopping by and watching this video. And today we will talk about a sound bar or a speaker which is a portable one, and is it the best one in its price range, or do we have a better option? You will definitely find out by the end of this video. And this is a F&D mini soundbar, and this is how it looks from the front and the back, and it is 40 centimeters long in case you need to know or you're interested. And its model number is E200, that is E200. And I am really very happy with the quality of the sound produced from it, and not only the sound as well as the build is good for the price offered. And we do have these things in the bottom for the support when we place on the table to provide a good grip, and I like it. And I am also using these speakers from or soundbar from nearly 2 years now, and this is how it looks. And I'm really pretty happy with it. And it comes with a USB cable and a 3.5 headphone jack. And let's connect it to the laptop for the power source, and it lights up just like that. And let's hear the music from the speaker itself. And yes, the audio which you just heard was from the output of the soundbar, and I don't know if the mic did the full justice for the sound produced from it, but trust me, it does produce good quality of sound, and I'm really happy. And yes, this is the successor or a newer version of the product which I've earlier showed in the video. And yes, it costs a little bit more than the one which I showed, but considering the features which it has in additional, yes, it has a Bluetooth, and it has an inbuilt battery of 2600 mAh. Yes, you can check out by pausing the video. And when you have more features, it definitely costs much more, as you know. And as you can see, the newer version looks something like this. And this is the older version which I have already shown in the earlier part of the video. And all the links will be definitely be in the description below. And if you guys are interested in this product, and you can definitely buy from those links. And I'm not promoting or doing any kind of advertisement for this product. I'm just sharing my opinions and my impressions on this particular product, so you guys can also get to know about this good product, and you can also enjoy what I am already enjoying. Hope you guys understand. And this is my channel, and do check that out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this, and do share with your friends, and thank you for watching.